Now. Okay, first possession yan ng team. Gipit for the 2 in and out. Rebound yan ni number 4, Flores. Flores dribbling the ball. Yan na si number 4, Flores for the 3. 3 points, Flores. Yan. Alright. 3 more shot lang tayo ha. Yan na si Pitas. Pitas, nagmamadali. Drop pass, try. Putik na walang bola. Ayos nilan yan ang Team Pastor. Team Pastor, nagdadala. And foul. Kuminan tayo number 4. Number 4, Flores. Yan. First personal foul. Alright, 24 shot lang tayo. Ayan. Number 24 fades the 3. Number 6, jump shot. Wala yan. Na-rebound ng team. JJ Bonifacio. Nakuha ni number 1. Nagmamadali. Number 1. Penetrate sa kita si number 31. Pasok yan. Ang ating score, 5-0. 24 shot clock. Wait. Ayan na, si Gipit. Number 24 fakes, jumps. Nakita ang kasama sa under. Kuha. And 3 seconds violation tayo. Nakuha yan ni Mahid. And a foul. Committed by number 6. Number 6. Forcing Mahin in the line. Pumasok. Wala pumasok. Recover dyan ng Team Bonifacio. Fakes, penetrate. Overshoots, rebound, number 31. Wala pa rin. Na-rebound na yan ng Team Pastor. Team Pastor, nagmamadali. Yan na si Gipit. Gipit, number 8. For the 3. Overshoots. Na-rebound na yan ni number 19 to number 8. Mahid. Puts it in. $7-0 ang ating score. Underneath shot, steal yan ni number 19. Number 19, dribbling the ball. Dahil sila doon yung number 27. Number 24. 24, hinara si number 21. Fades away, puts it in. Pasok yan. Hindi mo lang kapakala. Pasok yung tira ng Team Gipit. Yan na si number 1. Binigay kay Mahid. Oh, traveling violation tayo. Yes.
6, pumasok yung isa kanina.
11 lang yun. Pumasok yun. Meron si number 6. Short. Rebound na yan. Ni. Tuloy lang. Good yan. Mahid.
7 lang yun. 7 lang. Isa lang na shoot, di ba?
First foul ref.
3. Oo, nalisan na yung 3. Tapos isa lang. Bastos.
Yes. Speed to shoot. Torres for the 3. Ilagay mo rin yung rebound. Sino naka-rebound? Jumper, baseline shot, si number. So yan. Good yan. Number 15. Pumasok yan. 4-7 ang ating score. Sige,
Ginagamit mo. Na-shoot na yung
pumasok
dalawa.
yun. Pumasok. Okay. Lang tayo. 9-4 ang ating score, ha? Okay. Sorry. Pasok ba yun?
Hindi.
Shot clock tayo. Okay. Rebound ni Mahin. Walang bola. Sa buzzer na lang maririnig nyo, ha? Pagka ano. Okay. 9 seconds na lang tayo, ha? Ace 5, platoon. Ace 5, platoon. 9 seconds to shoot. 9-4 ang ating score.
Ah, malakas na nga.
Inbound ni Mahin. Yan na si Pastor ng mamadali. Turnover tayo. Nine 4 ang ating score. Mahin for the 3. Short. Na-rebound yan ni Guanson. 10 to shoot. JJ to Guanson. 5 to shoot. Wala. Good yan. Nakuha na ng Team Pastor. Ayan na si Pastor. Nadala ng bola. 9-4 pa rin ang ating score. Nakuha. Nakita ni Amar. Wala yan. Rebound ni Mahin.
Ayan,
Mahin to JJ. JJ number 19. Madali lang. Pipindutin mo lang. Pinasakay, JJ. Okay, oh. Traveling violation. Yan, check lang. Stop. Huwag mo na stop. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung oras. Sige, start mo na. Yan. Oo. Start.
shoot. Na-shoot.
Wait lang. Na-shoot. Na-shoot.
Anong number yung nakashoot? 08.
Wait. Monitor mo rin yung ano. Nag-shoot ha?
08.
Sabihin mo lang. Still yan. Shot clock. 24. Shot clock. Wala. Okay, joke ka na lang sa score sheet. Ako dito. Pumasok pa? Pumasok?
Wala.
Okay. 11-4 ang ating score. Number 2. Number 18, Pastor. Pastor, penetrates. Against si number 11, Jumper. And a foul. Foul number? Number 15. Number 15. Okay mo yung foul. Wala pa rin pumasok sa free throw. Penetrates, Mahin, overshoots. Rebound ni JJ. JJ Bonifacio to Watson. Puts it in. 13-4 ang ating score. Hindi pa rin nakakabutas ang Team Pastor mula kanina. Time remaining, 2 minutes, 27. Nakuha yan na ni Team Mahin. Team Mahin. Nagdadala ng bola si number 15. Puts it in. 13-4. Yan na, nagdadala ng bola si number 0. Number 0. Ayaw kumana ang ating meron ng dress. Wala yan. Guanson. Nagmamadali. Guanson. Number 15, wala. Rebound pa rin na number 15, wala. Put back yan, limahin ang ating score. 17-4. 1 minute 38 in this first quarter. Wala ba? Tignan daw yung foul pa lang yan. Bumper, puts it in. Counted yun. Number 6, foul. Okay lang yan, sige. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Start.
Wala si number 19, nagawa ng bola. Nakuha yan ni number 11. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Line ball violation. Shot clock tayo, 17-6 ang ating score. Nakuha yan ni JJ. JJ, 18 to shoot. Number 19 to number 15. Wala. Na-rebound na yan. Ni Pastor. 37 seconds to shoot. 3 points.
7.
Idol, shot lock.
Shot lock daw.
Wala na. 19 seconds na lang tayo. Ano sa skill? 13 seconds. Wala pa rin. 8 seconds. Wala. 5 seconds. 3. Buzzer nyo lang maririnig. And that is the first quarter. 17-9 ang ating score.
Pag naglaro kayo mamaya, sino mag-aaral?
Yeah. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Start. Back to the ball game. 17-9 ang ating score. Yan na si number 19. Dribble the ball. Nasa number 1. Number 1. Then, to shoot. Number 4, Flores for the 3. Oh. If okay lang yan. Lock mo lang. About to shoot. Pass to JJF. Mahid. Wala. Rebound na yan eh. Number 31. Wala. 5 seconds to shoot. 3. Buzzer. Okay, good. Nara si number 24 by number 1. Number 24 steal. 12 seconds to shoot. And number 6 puts it in. Ating score. 20-12. Lakpo. All number 6.
Stop muna, Paul. Ay, ano? Na-shoot.
Nitro, pasok! Start na tayo ha. Ayan. 54 seconds na. Ayan. Pasok yung score. 21 na yun ha. Traveling violation. Official score, 21-12. 22, sorry. Hindi nakita mo. Tingnan mo lang ah. Shot clock. Number 19. 3 points, wala. Rebound ni Pikot. And a foul. Who's foul, ref? Number 19. Number 19, foul. Free throw is good. 83-12 ang ating score. Second one is good. Kaya na si Gipit nagdadala ng bola. Number 8, Gipit still for the 3. Wala. Same ball possession tayo. Gipit for the long 4-meter. Wala. And a steal by number Hutzelin. 84-14 ang ating score. AJ, yes sir! For 36. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ni JJ. AJ, to number 1. Naghanap na mabasahan. Behind the back pass. Fakes. Number 31. Offensive foul tayo. Ayan na, si number 24, layup. Wala yan, na-rebound ni Akuha ng team. Sige, running time lang. Bonifacio, no pass, no, number 31. Number 31, layup. Short ang pera. Nakuha ni Gipit yan. Gipit nagmamadali. Dribbling the ball. Penetrates. Hit the paint. Ito si number 24. Puts it in. Ang ganda ng pasahan ng Team Pastor. Our score, 16-25. Time remaining 6 minutes in the second quarter. 15 to shoot. For the 3, JJ, wala. Rebound na yan ng Team Gipit. Number 24. Maghanap na babasahan. Hinaras. Nakuha yan ni number 36. Ipinasa 2. Nakuha ni JJ. Long pass to number 1. Number 1. Pinasa kay Flores. Wala yan. Na-rebound ulit ng team Pastor to number 36. Easy jumper at the baseline by number 8. Ating score, 18-25. Good. Tony Mahin for the 3. Wala. Na-rebound na yan ng team. And time out. Ating score.
Ay,
Platon tayo. Platon. Platon.
Platon daw,
Platon
Platon.
na. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Tig-isang timeout lang per quarter ha. Sa last quarter lang yung tig-dalawang timeout. Our score is 18-25. 5 minutes in the second quarter. Yan na si number 6, penetrates. Nakita yung kasama sa si Jonard. 10 to shoot. Number 6, jumper. Puts it in. 20-25 ang ating score. Humahabol ang ang team Pastor. Alam mo na?
3 points.
Yes, 3 points. 28-20. Dead ball.
Platon, Platon.
Number 11. Rebound na yan. Reset mo ulit yan. Ang rebound na yan ni number 31. Nagmamadali. To number 15. Jumper short. Nakuha ulit ni Buanson. Buanson. To number. And 3 seconds violation tayo. Dead ball ha, dead ball. Idol, pag dead ball. Tama! Same ball possession tayo. Okay, substitution tayo. Okay na. Number 15, si Inghog for the 2-per-meter shot. That will be... Ang ating score, 22-28. Gumaganda ang laban ng dalawa. Dikit na ang score. And a steal by Inghog, number 15. Number 15, umikot. And the score. What a beautiful isolation. And a steal again by the team. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Team JJ. Nakuha ni Buanson, number 2, dribbling the ball, crossing the midcourt, penetrates, drop pass to Mahin. Mahin flies, puts it in. What a beautiful isolation. Offense by the team. Number 15, Inghog, dribbling the ball. To number 14, Rama, nawala ang bola, nakuha ni number 15. Pass to number 2, Buanson, puts it in. Ang ating score, 32-24. 2 minutes 33 tayo in this second quarter. Ball tayo. Sige, tuloy-tuloy na. Check mo lang yan. Hindi put! Pumasok! Dos yun, dos lang. Sino nakashoot? Number 15.
Habang manatapay ako.
26-32 ang ating score. 2 minutes in the second quarter. Number 31 for the 3! Yeah.
Siyam lang, ano ko kulangan na kami ng isa sa platoon. Siyam lang kami.
Sige, pagkakulang sila. Pagka-dead ko tayo.
Di pa naman napapal.
Number 15, fakes, Inghog, penetrates, and a foul. Number 2, foul.
Substitute, teka lang. Wait lang. Teka lang, sinabi ko na.
Pwede na yan, mag-sub after that. Sige na, sub na. Rep, pwede na mag-sub. May platoon pa, bawal pa. Oh, antay mo na lang, 1 minute na lang.
Kailangan.
Sa third quarter yun, open na tayo.
Mamaya na, platoon.
Number 15. Free throw. Ay, stilan yan ni Inghog. Number 15. To number 11. And a foul. Committed by number 15. Foul. Okay. Foul.
Pastor Pau.
Store, number 18, foul. 18 foul. Sige lang, foul na sila. Pumasok ang tira ni number. Sino nakashoot? Number 2. Yan na, si number 22 to number 0. Lumabas ang tira. Nakuha yan ni Inghog, number 15, baseline shot, wala, rebound ni number 31. Number 31, Bitas, nagawan, to Rama, Amar, Amar! Malakas ang tira. To, nakuha yan ni number 31. Number 31 ang papadali. Ang ating time ay 41 seconds na lang. Puts it in, Mahin again, number 8. Consistency is the key to victory. 26-39 ang ating score. 26-39. Tumira din ng press. Wala yan. Nakakuha yan na ng Team JJ. Team JJ. Wala na yan. Hindi naman pre-reset yan. Pag-last nyo na. 8 seconds. 5. Sir ka lang marinig nyo. And that is the second quarter. Okay na.
Drake, tara.
Ang ating score, 26-41. Alright, back to the ball game. Our score. Back to the ball game. Our score. Six, 41 on the score. Bola na ng gipit. Change play, ano tayo? Change court na tayo. And na. Okay. Number 1.
Lighting mode. FM mode. Bluetooth mode. Drive.
Kaya na lang team. JJ Mahin again for the 2 baseline shot. Ang ating score, 28-43. Oh. 10 to shoot. Wala, rebound ni. Mahin. Mahin nagpapadali. Naiskilan. Same ball possession tayo. Stop mo na. Okay. Go ahead, number 19. Wala. Put back. Wala pa rin. Rebound ni number 24. Number 24. Penetrates. And a foul committed by number 91. Substitution. Pasok na, pasok. Wala pa rin ang free throw. Ako yan ay Mahin. Mahin to Flores. Nice kila ni Inghom. Inghom. Natapikan din ni number 19. Yan na si Kaya ni Rama. Rama. Keep it against number 1. Keep it to number 24. Fakes in the paint. Rama overshoots. Number 8, foul. Elvito, pasok. And na si number 1. Number 1. Mahin again! Baseline shot. And what's masok yun, okay? 45-30 ang ating score. Start mo lang. We are now in the third quarter of this game. Our score is 30-45. Lamang ang team JJ. 10 seconds to shoot. 7. Rebound na ng team JJ. Ayan. Team JJ number 1 ang mamadali. Lumipad. Puts it in. 47-30 ang ating score. Yan na si number 8. Keep it. Keep it for the 3. Puts it in. 3 points. The scoring machine. Keep it. At sige. Time out daw pagkatapos. Wala, yan. Na-rebound ni. Give it. Long pass ka. Inghok. Inghok. Layup. Puts it in. Time out. Time out by Team Pastor. Ang ating score. Pasok. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 24 lang. Back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game.
Sila lang kasi hindi pwede mag-sub. Red ball lang.
Yan. Ayan yan. Okay na, okay na.
Kasi ito pwede.
Pasok. Ang ating score. 37-49.
Shot clock.
Start clock mo, 24 ulit. Ayan na si number 1. Gano'n na mapasahan si number 1. Iwan si number 0. Number 1, 2. Mahid. Jumper. Fades away. Puts it in. 51. 37 ang ating score. Okay na. Ipag-10 lang ito. Number 24, penetrates. Wala. Na-rebound pa rin niya. And there's a foul committed by number 9. Number 19. 91, sorry. 91. Substitution. Pasok. Pasok na, yung mga mag-sub. Sige.
Pasok.
Ating score, 37-51. Free throw ni 24, wala. Para lang. And free throw is wala pa rin. Rebound na yan ni Mahin. To number 1. Number 1. Almost losing the ball. Recovered. Number 31. And Mahin ball violation. 8 seconds to shoot. 3 points. Buhay ni number 24. Long pass to. And ito na si number 1. Bola pa rin ng JJ. 37-51 pa rin ang kasing score. Number 19, jumpers at in the paint. Puts it in. 53-37. Is steal by Jonard. Jonard to number 24. Number 24 against number 19. At the baseline, number 22 is wala yan. Sayang ang tira ni Jonard. And a steal. Nakuha ni number 24. Puts it in. 39-53. Time remaining in this third quarter. 4 minutes, 14 seconds. Number 1, naiwan si number 0. Naiwan din si number 22. 2, number 31, Jumper, puts it in. Ang ganda ng pasahan. 39-54 ang ating score. Penetrate si number 24, na-steal. Ni number 1, nakuha yan ni Flores. Late violation. Substitution.
Hindi siguro na lista.
Pumasok ang tira. Ano?
Oh. MG Vitas. MG, yung may MG.
Number 1, 2. MG Vitas. Fakes. Penetrates. Puts it in. What a beautiful isolation by
Vitas yun,
Vitas.
so cute.
41-56 ang ating
Dahil
score.
tatlo Vitas dyan eh. Isa Vitas lang, isa dyan, isa yung MG.
Ano lang, number 24 against Guanzon. Nakuha pa rin ang Team Pastor. Baseline shot, short. Na-rebound na yan ni FG Vitas, yung number 1. Behind the back dribble, in the paint. Libre. Puts it in. What a beautiful ball handling by number 1. 41-58 ang ating score. Number 24 para lang. Foul. Foul number 9. Time out. Foul number 19. Wala na. Last na time out na yun. Fourth quarter na kayo ulit mag-time out. Dito sa kabila, meron pa kayong isang time out. Warning for penalty na. Kabila.
Di ba last
Warning for penalty, Team Bonifacio na. Fourth team foul na kayo. O yan eh, number 0 to number 3 points si number 24. 2 minutes, 11. Yan na, si. Kaya mo na yan, ha? Penetrate si number 1. Nakuha na si Guanzon. Malakas ang tira. Nakuha ni number 24. Long pass. Turnover tayo. Remaining 1 minute and 50 in this third quarter. Ang ating score, 44-58. Yan na si number 1. Naghahanap ng mga pasahan. Dribbling the ball. Number 1, steal. Number 1. Number 1, 2, Vitas. Wala. Rebound yan ni number 24. Number 24. Number 22. Wala yan. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Naghahanap ng magmamadali si number 1. Penetrates. Yes, sir. 2 points. 1 minute and 61.
medyo malas din sila. Medyo malas.
Overshoots. And then si number 1. Number 1. Oyo, seal. And to shoot. Watson. For the 3. Number 24. Palag against number 15. Paralag steal. Jumper. Overshoots. Rebound ni number 0. Wala. Nakuha yan ni number 31. Vitas. Guanzon. Libre si number 1. Wala. Nakuha ulit ni number 15. Number 15. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Boya for the 3. Wala yan. And recovered by Guanzon. Pasok niya. Counted. Counted ang 3. Counted ang 3 points. 64-44. 20 na. Diyan na pala nagtatapos ang ating third quarter. We are now in the last quarter of this game. Our score is 44-64.
Scores! Ay,
Tama, 64.
okay na. Okay na.
Bumawi na talaga sila.
Pasok 3 points. Pasok yan. Counted yung ano. Ulit.
Alright, back to the ball game tayo. We are now in the last quarter of this game between Team Ballers and Team Ipos Lasers. And ang team, Pastor, number 32, jumpers, John Hart, in and out ang tira. Ni ba na yan ni? Number 91 to number 4. JJ Bonifacio, dribbling the ball, setting up the play. Ahin to JJ. Tumahin. And there's 3 points short. Rebound ni Mahin. Mahin to Flores. Flores dribbling the ball behind the back. Dribble. Naiwan si Pastor. Ayan na si number 91. Oh, Mahin for the 3. Overshoots. Recovered. And a steal by number 18. Pastor. Easy layup by number 15. Inhog. 46-67 ang ating score. Pitas, dribbling the ball. Muntik na mawalang bola to RJ. JJ penetrates in the paint. Short. Rebound ni Pastor. Nagawan and same ball possession. Our next game for tonight will be between Team Pastor and Team Marilao. Team El Toro pala, sorry. Team El Toro versus Team Marilao. Magandang laban din yun. Liblin Ribre, si Bitas. For the 2, ang ating score, 46-69. 7 minutes 58 in this last quarter. Ayan na si John Hart. Shot clock down to 12. Tuwira ng
Tres.
3 points ba yun? Rep? Dos lang. 3 points. 3 points si Inhog. Number 15, dribbling the ball. Number 19. Number 19 still setting up the play. And the shot is still by Inhog. Number 15. Number 15. Penetrates. Wala. Recover ni John Hart. Umikot. Overshoots. Na-rebound ulit ni number 11. Overshoot. Number 11. Wala. Kwani. Ito. Puts rin. Number 15. Time out.
Buzzer ka naman pag time out. May tubig dito.
Players, may tubig dito ha. Libre po yan tubig. Players, may tubig. May malamig na tubig dito. Our next game for tonight will be between Team El Toro and Team Marilao.
Back na to.
Back to the ball game tayo. Start mo na. Number 1, Boyo. Umahit to Flores. Tubitas. Naistilan yan ng Team Pastor. Number 24 to number 8. The scoring machine. Wala. Overshoots. Ayan na si number 1.
Start mo yung oras.
Yan na si Pastor. Pastor lumipad, pinasa sa kalaban. Nakuha ni number 24. Number 24. puts it in! Number 24. And number 19, Vitas. Nice nila. Ulit ng number 24 ng Team Pastorian. Number 24, penetrates and a foul committed by Watson, number 2. Substitution tayo. Foul number 2.
Wala na.
Time out.
Time out na ba? Wala na.
Hindi, meron pa sila. Sakto. May tignan dalawang timeout sila.
Ah,
May isa na lang timeout sila. Dito may dalawa pa kayo ha. Last quarter na. 2 timeouts. Hindi pa ka naman kayo nagta-timeout. Sila. 2 timeouts pa kayo. Okay. Team JJ. 1 timeout na lang kayo ha. Technical tayo, rep. Hindi, wala. 2 points lang, free throw. Foul. Number 24, Paralag in the line. Our score is 53-69. Pumasok yung tira. Lumalapit ang score, 5 minutes 55. Second one is good. Time remaining 5 minutes 52 in this last quarter. Our score is 55-69 and this time is brought to you by Easy Mart, Coco Lemon, Fridays, Shop More, and Cap Toto Reyes, ang ating honorable captain. Number 4, Flores overshoots. Rebound na yan ng number 6 of Team Pastor to Inghok number 15. Number 15 penetrates. Wala yan. Rebound na yan ni number 31.
Ah, wala tayo.
Ako ay ulit ng Team Pastor yan number 6. Libre si scoring machine. Puts it in. And si Flores. Flores, hinaharas ni number 18. Tupitas, number 31. Number 31.
Outed lang.
And a foul committed by number 18.
Yes!
Who's foul up? Number 8? Number 8. 18. Si Pastor.
Shoot mo. Yes!
wala na lang oh. Kunti lang.
Stepping the line. Violation. That is not counted. Our next game for tonight will be between Team Marilao and Team El Toro. Number 24 for the long three. Short rebound na yan ni JJ. Nubitas to number 1. Boyo. Hinaharas si number 8. Boyo. Hinaharas ng dalawa. Stable possession. Boyo. Number 31. Number 31. Seconds, 5 seconds to shoot. 3. Passer na lang. %. Yan na si number 15. Lumipad. In and out. Number 31. Number 31. So, Mahin again. Pinalik kay number 1. Number 1. Tubitas, number 19, in the paint, floater shot, puts it in! 4 minutes in this last quarter. Inghong for the 3, short, na-rebound ni Ahin. Okay. Alright, penalty, timeout tayo. Last timeout. Isa na lang. Isa na lang yung time out. Ang ating score. Score 72 yan. 72. Penalty, wala pang penalty. Ayaw.
Nai-award na yun.
Sakto. Ipa-hipay nyo na. Last game. Sayang yung ano, time out nyo. Gamitin nyo. Meron pa kayong tingin isang time out. Okay? Alright. Back to the ball game tayo.
Yes, start time.
72-57 ang ating score in favor of Team JJ Bonifacio. Time remaining in this last quarter, 3 minutes 44 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. This time is brought to you by si number 1, number 31, na-rebound ni number 24. Pass to number 8. Scoring machine, keep it. Keep it. Go, number 15 for the 3. Overshoots, rebound ni number 1, number 19, Bitas. Number 19 inaras ni number 22 against Jonard. And a steal by number 15 and a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 91 si JJ. 3 personal foul. Substitution. Pasok, substitution. Sino magsasub? Okay, wala na. We are now last quarter of this game, 3 minutes remaining, 57-72. Number 8, scoring machine, using that board, and a score, 59-72 na. AJ, Flores. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points, overshoots, rebound na yan ni Inghok, number 15. Number 15, pass to Rama. Rama, rejected by number 31. Ayan na foul, committed by number 31. Foul by ref or last touch lang? Walang foul. 1 second to shoot. Nakuha yan ang team. Ayan na, ang ganda nun. Rondo moves yun. Region Rondo. 74-59 ang ating score, 22. Okay, pagkid wala yun. Jumper in the paint, D. Gipit, number 8. 61-74 ang ating score. 1 minute remaining and 54 seconds. 10 to shoot. 7. Number 4, Flores. Short. Recovered ni Mahin. And a foul. Counted foul yun. Number 8, foul. Sige, Pete. Substitution. Pasok. Mga magsasap. We only have 1 minute and 42. Nakuha yan eh. Number 22, Jonard. Yes, sir. 63-76 ang ating score. Ang ganda, no? Scoring machine, si number 31. Pasok yan. Sino foul, ref? Number 0. Foul number 0. Forcing Bitas in the line for his bonus. Christmas bonus yan. Wala daw, same ball possession, last touch si number 24. Mga takbong oras yan, ha? 20 seconds. Flores for the 3, in and out. Rebound yan, recovered ni Bitas, number 31, number 1, making the 3. Drop pass. Oh, nakuha ni number 31. Puts it in! 8 seconds na lang tayo. Last quarter na. Long pass to Jonard for the 3. Wala pa rin, JJ. Rebound.
Kalat sila.
Nice nila niya ni Jonard. Jonard, 2. Number 0, wala pa rin. Ako ni Jonard, easy jumper. 65-80 ang ating score. Ayan na si Flores. Wala pa rin ang tira.
Oras.
Time remaining. Time remaining. 15 seconds na lang tayo. Alright. Conceded na. And that ends. Okay, yung mga nanalo.